Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate if you encounter this error 506 failure connecting to the Rockstar Games Launcher while launching the Fivem game. Just hit the exit to come to from this error message. After that, I will provide best to prevent solution. That solution you will try to in this problem easily resolve. So don't waste our time. Let's get started. I recommend trying this first method of remove Rockstar Games Launcher in documents, so you can navigate the documents and select the Rockstar Games folder and select the inside select launcher, then right click to remove from the Rockstar Games folder. If you have done, then you come to back from this file X folder. After that, we can go to do it the next solution. Before you relaunch the game, check whether it is working or not. If this problem try to it does not work, then you can go to throw the next solution. The next solution I go to proceed, eliminate the local game Rockstar game files and Fivem folder in local app data. So press the Windows button plus X button, then click on the run, then run box type percentage local app data percentage, then hit the OK. It will automatically open the file X folder. Here scroll down, find Fivem folder and Rockstar folder. First select Fivem and right click to remove the Fivem folder particular folder. Then scroll down, then you can go to find until scroll down, find the Rockstar Games folder and select and right click. Again click to delete particular folder. After that you come to back from the file X folder. Then we can go to restart your system. Then we can go to relaunch the Fivem. After that your problem will be solved. It is automatically update the Fivem. Then your problem will be solved. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you. And don't forget subscribe.